Hey friends, how are you? I hope you're having a great day today. Today we are going to be creating some snowflakes, so let's get started. I'm going to teach you how to make 4 different snowflakes. As you know, snowflakes are all different, so I'm going to make 4 different snowflakes, and from there, the skills that you learn in this video you can take and you can apply them to snowflakes of your own and make them unique. So the first thing that I suggest that you start out with is a circle, a small circle. That's going to be the center of your snowflake. From that center, you're going to make a line going from the top of your paper down to your circle and then coming out the bottom. And the line should be about the same size. Now we're going to make a side line here going through the circle as well. And then we're going to make some more lines going through the side like this. These can be shorter lines or the same length as your other lines. Keep in mind I'm not using a ruler, so it's not going to be perfect, and that's okay. All right, so from here, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to decorate these lines coming out. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to make some small U's at the end of each one of these lines. And remember, whatever you do to this line, you have to do it the same to all of the other lines. Right? Now maybe I'll make some V's on each one of these lines, and this might take a little bit of time. Go all the way down. I'm going to speed up the video right here. All right, there's our first snowflake. If there's anything else you can think of to add to the first snowflake, go ahead and do it. If not, let's move on to the next one. So again, we're going to start with a circle. I'm going to make this one a little bit bigger, and then I'm going to put another circle right in the center and fill it in with my black marker. Now I'm going to do the same thing as far as I'm going to make some lines coming down and some lines coming across. And then these lines in the middle are going to go a little bit shorter. They're going to be a little bit smaller than our initial lines. And then I'm going to put a dot, a solid dot at the end of each one of these lines. And then I'm simply going to make another one of these, going like this, right below each one of the dots. This is a very, very simple way to make a snowflake, just like that. If you'd like to make something else in here, go ahead and do that. Remember, this is your snowflake and you can do whatever you'd like to decorate it. All right, there's snowflake number 2. Snowflake number 3 I'm going to put right here. And I think what I'll do on this one is I'll start with my center dot, and then I'll make my lines like I've done before. And remember, you want to make the vertical one first, the horizontal one second, and that way you'll know where to put the other ones. So these can be longer or shorter or the same size as the initial lines. Now on this one, I'm going to make some hearts. Wow, I'm going to have to make an upside down heart here. I'm not very skilled at that, but I think I'm doing a pretty good job, if I do say so myself. There we go. Now I think what I'll do here is I'll make some lines going like this, connecting all of these initial lines, and then I'll create some dots here. And then if I notice that my snowflake is looking a little bit plain, that I'd like to add more detail, I just add more detail. I think of a line or a shape that I could put in there, and then I just do it. So see, this one's pretty plain. I think I'm going to add something. I think I'm going to add another line here with a dot at the end. go. All right, my last one I'm going to make right here. Again, I'm going to start with a dot in the middle, and then I'm going to make my lines going vertical, going horizontal, and then going to the sides. I'm going to make these pretty long. And then at the end, I'm going to put a dot. And then it's going to be the opposite of this line. So I'm going to put some lines that look like arrows going towards the dot. I'm going to do that on all of these. 3 or 4, it's up to you. I'm going to speed this ahead a little bit. Alrighty, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little bit of a petal in here in the middle. Add a little bit more detail to this one. Alrighty friends, there you go. Oh, I think they look so cute. If you feel like one of your snowflakes needs a little bit more detail or a little bit more attention, go ahead and add to it now. And just have fun with this because there's a lot that you can do with snowflakes. All right, see you later.